You won't believe these two incredible things really exist. Fact 1. There is a jellyfish that is theoretically immortal. The species is called Turritopsis dohrnii and can reverse its aging process. When she gets hurt or sick, she just transforms back into a younger version of herself. Scientists call it the immortal jellyfish. Fact 2. The hottest place ever measured on Earth is the Dashti Lut Desert in Iran. There was a ground temperature of an incredible 70.7 degrees Celsius, hotter than the ground in most ovens. Without protection, you wouldn't survive a minute there. Other. If you want even more crazy facts, like the video and subscribe to my channel.